Yeah, 410 on that train. Yeah, believe it or not, man, my box is down. I'm talking on a barefoot Cobra 29. Hey, train, I'm out here working this 14-watt radio, man. I'm trying to get my box back up. The relay took a nosedive on me, man. So, doggone it, I'm just talking on a barefoot Cobra 29 there, 410.
Well, that barefoot 29, that's my driver, man. That's about 100 watt right there, 40-40. Let me see some. And that's a little foot pedal right there. I'm probably running about half of the potential. Hey, 40-40, I'm probably running about half of the potential right now, man. It's kind of just limping along. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Them tube boxes, they something else. Hey, 40-40, I'm limping down here in the south coast of Baton Rouge, train on a mail.
410, roger, train. Well, you got that thing down in Cali. You got that thing down. I got you on the video gate too, homeboy. You'll see what you're doing, man. You're destroying California, man. Hey, train, you coming through here like a train wreck. You about run half these cattin' biggers over. Cut them half. You cutting them in half, homeboy. You're all by yourself. All by yourself. 799. All by himself. And I got the video gate to prove it there. 410.
No, I'm gonna leave that singing to you, 40. Oh, man. Hey, 40, I'm gonna leave that singing to you, Captain Big, because I ain't no singing, homeboy. You know what I'm talking about. I'm one of them low talkers. Hey, 40, I'm one of them low talkers, man. My goodness. You got me cracking up over here. Yeah, you got me 40. You should be ashamed of yourself, man. I tell you what, I got these 500 Z's glowing. I'm sure you hear the kids in the background talking about something. They're talking about some mold or something. I'm having some sort of mold. I'm getting my son so we can go through it. Man, oh man. Hey, 40, I will bump on your tail a bit more later, man. Well, I'm cruising the low side of this SB220. 40, the big man in the south coast of Baton Rouge, your homeboy train in the bayous. I get back with you. Let me see if I can do like you for you. Train in the bayous just walked on through.
That's the way we do it out here in California, man. We just walk on through, man. I train just like you, me too, man. I got my little ones. I promised my daughter I'd take her outside here, and she wants to ride her bicycle, man. She just learned how to ride with no training wheels, so I better get out there and doggone it, let her do her thing. So, hey, with that, homeboy, have a beautiful weekend. Tell the little 44s we're waving a hand too, man. Tell them I said lottie-dottie. Take care. Bump it on you later. Train 40-40. Out here on the dock of the bay, I ain't gonna key no more. I'm gonna pull the plug on this mess. I'll get back with you.
You got the thing down around Baton Rouge, man. Hey, 40. Old train working his foil on the Joker and Bean. And I will bump on your more than the bull cannot touch me, 840. Train and Mo Train with about 500 birds in a line I got down.
Boat in, all right, train. I'm pulling out, man. Let the boys know they got the green light. It's pretty sad I'm giving the green light when I'm on a barefoot radio. But let the boys in Cali know the green light is on, because I'm going outside and let my daughter ride her bicycle. Because Lord knows these cat biggers need training wheels out here. They all all pumped up and trying to key on my barefoot radio. It's a sad day, man. Bye, Train. Take care, man. God bless you and your fine family. I'm going to pull it straight back. Mr. Train, 4040, tell the boys in Cali the green light is on. 4040, walking on through. I'll see you, homeboy.
607 QDF, right back 40. Now you gotta be, I'm gonna sit back and wait for that video gate to come up, because I'm interested to see how much I done come up, gotta be. I'm interested to see how far I done come from back in the day. 4040, bumping on your more way to Columbia. The host with the most, the choo-choo train south coast of Baton Rouge. I walked on through.